Question 20. Write this fraction in the form ax plus b over cx plus d, where a, b, c, and d are integers. So I've got quite a few things going on here, but I can see all of this is in a bracket. I can see I've got a quadratic here, so it might be useful to start off with this quadratic here and just simplifying it. I'm going to factorize this. So normally I would use the AC method, multiplying 2 by minus 56, find the factors and so on. But this time I'm going to do it by inspection because 56 is quite a large number, so it might not be the best method to use for this one. So I'm looking to factorize 2x squared minus 6x minus 56. So in the first bracket, to get this 2x squared, what numbers multiply to make 2? It has to be 1 and 2. So in the first bracket, I'm going to have 2x, and in the other bracket, I'm going to have x. And then I'm concentrating on this negative 56. What are my factors of 56? So I have 1 and 56, 2 and 23. 3 doesn't go in because 5 and 6 gives 11. 5 doesn't go in, 6 doesn't go in, and 7 would pair with 8. After 7 and 8 is 8 and 7, and 8 is a duplicate, so that means we don't have to continue. After you see any duplicates, you don't have to continue. That means you've found all of them. So normally I start off with the two that are closest to each other. So in one of the brackets, I'm going to have 7, and one of the brackets, I'm going to have 8. Because they're multiplying to become this negative 56, one will be a positive and one will be a negative. I can check this. If I do 7 times by x, I get 7x, and negative 8 times by 2x, I get negative 16x. That would give me negative 9x. That's not negative 6x, so I'm going to try it the other way around. So I'm going to swap this 7 with this 8 and see if that works. This time I've got 8 times x, which is 8x, and negative 7 times by 2x, which is minus 14x. And 8 take away 14, it does give me negative 6. So it's going to be this one, this way around. Now that I've factorized this bit, I'm going to rewrite just this bit out. So I've got x plus 4 being divided by the quadratic that's been factorized, so 2x plus 8, and x minus 7 over 2x plus 3. So how do we divide fractions? We keep the first one, we flip the second one, and we change this to a multiply. So I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3 on the top this time, over 2x plus 8 and x minus 7. Whenever I'm multiplying fractions, I look to see if I can cross cancel. So I'm looking at this one and I'm looking at this one. I can see x plus 4 is also a factor of 2x plus 8. So I'm going to pull out x plus 4. So x plus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3 over, and I'm going to pull out x plus 4 from here. So we need 2 on the outside, and the x minus 7 is still there. So now because I'm cross-cancelling, I can cancel that out with that. And that leaves me with 2x plus 3 over 2 brackets x minus 7. So that's all of that bit done. We just need to concentrate on this 14 over 3x minus 21. So we're adding 14 over 3x minus 21. So could I factorize this 3x minus 21? I could pull out 3 from both of them. So 14 over 3 brackets x minus 7. And that's adding 2x plus 3 over 2 brackets x minus 7. So now I'm looking to add these two fractions, so I need common denominators. I've got this x minus 7 that's already common, so I need to try and make this 3 and this 2. What's the lowest common multiple of 3 and 2? That'd be 6. So I want to get this left one to 6, so I'm going to multiply everything by 2. I want to get this right one to 6, so I'm multiplying everything by 3. If I multiply everything by 2 here, I get 28 over 6 bracket x minus 7 plus multiplying everything by 3, so it's going to be 6x plus 9 over 6 bracket x minus 7. So now I have common denominators, I just need to add my numerators up. 28 and 9 is 37 plus 6x over 6 bracket x minus 7. Just taking a look at this, I'm going to see, can I simplify anything here? Can I divide through by anything? There's no common factors, so all I need to do is just make sure my answer is in this form, ax plus b over cx plus d. So I need integers for all of this, and we're just going to have to expand out this bracket on the bottom. So the same thing on the top, my numerator stays the same, 37 add 6x over 6 multiplied by x, 6x, 6 times by negative 7 is negative 42. That's my final answer.